Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Improve Your Excel. So today we are going to discuss this performance review Excel template, which is useful for those who are giving reviews to their employees according to their skill set. So and you want to keep them their reviews for a long period, then this template is for you. So let's get started with this template. So in this the first tab, which is settings tab, you will add categories, department managers, other reference data. So this information will be used in the corresponding sheets app drop down selection for your convenience. And so you have to fill out all of these tables. So once you are done with this settings tab, then move to the questions. So in this tab, one side indicates the categories you wish to evaluate, such as productivity, communication skills, and efficiency, for example. So, in addition, write the questions you are going to ask about each employees. All right, and you have up to 45. You have up to 45 questions here in this table, and right now I have this is all the demo data that is just built for your review. So I can walk you through how this template is work. So currently I have 20 questions. All right, so once you have done with this questions tab, then move to the employee database tab. So first start by choosing the employee's name from the drop down list. Then no I let me do this. So you have to write the employee name first, then you can use the drop down menus like this. So let's get started. So we are if I'm walking through, then I'll let you know that how you can add an employee. So I was just doing this, so that's why I have added a Superman. Now I'm going to add the Batman. So Batman will be a unique name for me. So I'm going to select him in turn, and would be his manager, and his department would be executive direction. So this is the very beautiful thing we have in this. So you need to double click on this and that beautiful calendar will pop up. So I'm going to select this date. It's higher date, so we are going to select him the 1st January. Why it is not mentioning the day? Let me check first. January 1. Okay. So I am going to double click on this and that calendar will be pop up, and I am going to select his joining date as 1st of Feb. All right, so you can see these the grade highlighted column. Actually, all of them contains formulas. So and let's get started with this one. Number of reviews. Currently we have added Batman here, and we are going to give him a review for this month, or we can say this for this specific year. And currently he doesn't have any review. So what I am going to do is I am going to click on this button, and what this button does. So once you click on add review button, so let me first do this. So I have just clicked on this button and a new window has been pop up, right? So I will fill out information about the employees, so he can be reviewed. So let's get started with his name. We have added Batman here, and all of the information regarding him will be pop up here that we just recently filled out. All right, so this tab share his overall score, and this one tells the performance that he has, that he's greatly below expectation or truly outstanding. Currently it's 0, so that's why it's saying greatly below expectation. So this table counts his score according to his efficiency and his performances that we have mentioned here. So let's get started. So we have question here, we have category. So this is just for your information that how you can fill out the you know the employee review for your employee. So I'm going to select randomly this one, and because I'm sure you are going to ask questions that you have right to your employees, but I don't have any employee here, so I am just walking you through about this. All right, so I'm going to remove this. All right, so now this employee, that name is Batman, his overall score is 80, and it says is exceed expectations. All right, so I am just going to click on this button, save review. So one, I am going to click and okay. So the review has been saved for this employee, that is Batman, and you can see that we have saved his review. Before it was the number of reviewers was showing 0 because it doesn't have a review, but once we have done review for him, so now you can see the review we have here. And on the right side you can see that there's an option which is saying go to employee review. So once we click on this, a new window will be pop up here. All right, so in this window, I don't know currently why the position, manager, full name, employment date, and those information are, why those information are blank, but I'll fix this. So in this tab you can see that we have 20 we have one review, but you can add 20 reviews for a single employee. So once I click on this check, and now boom, so we have a new window. On that window we have filled out this employment review, so you can see this. That way you can give a review to your employees. If you have notes for that particular employees, those you have to add it before when you are giving him review, but you cannot add it here. This is a window just to show you that what you have when you have reviewed your employee, then you can come here and see so what question you have asked him, and what was the performances or skill set for him to to give him a review, to give him marks on points on the question you have asking him. So we'll go back. If this person has a couple of reviews, then all of them you can see. All right, let me show you that improve your Excel has 3 reviews here, and I am going to click on this, and 3 of them, all of them are showing here. If I click on this, then you can see this 84. Click on this, the 60 and 88. So that way you can check your previously given reviews to your employees. And we have next tab. uh, all of the next tab, those are related to dashboard. That so the company review, department review, and the employee comparison tab we have. So all of them analyze the information company wise, department wise, employees wise, so making the template more efficient and easier to use. So let's go to the review tab. So the review tab is actually work for a single year. If I change the year here, you can check that. All right, so we have average score, we have best performer for that. We have average score for that particular year, best performance, worst performer, best department, worst department for that particular year 2025, and the monthly average score, for a particular year, and average score by category. All right, so let's go to the department review. So the department review works the same way like the for the particular year 2025, and you can review your 2 department in this single window. So I am going to say this planning here. Let's change it to HR and executive direction. All right. So this one is for HR and this one is for executive direction. All right. So you can also see the average score by month, average score by here. All right. So now let's move to the employee comparison information. So this is the last tab. We have employee comparison. You can comparison your four of employees, your three of employees, your even your two employees, or you can go with the single one. All right, I am going to remove the last three of employees. All right, so that windows show you the average score. If you have given him a couple of reviews for a single employee, like we have done for improve your Excel, so you can see this. We have given him a review in 2026, so you can see that one review was in March, one is in April, and one is on August. So we have here the average score. So that way you can go with your multiple employees. I have mostly data in 2025, so I have to go like this. So you can comparison your two of your employees, your four. If you can go with three, you can go with four. It depends on you. So I would say this is very beautiful template for the HR teams who are going to review their employees. And what I would say, so I'm going to say in last that this template, actually organize your employee evaluation and analyze performance in a clear and structured way. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any questions or information, just comment in this video, so we'll try to answer. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day. Bye.